this market behavior works with Euro USD. Now, if you look at Euro USD market, if you look at the daily time frame, we can see that the market is in a downtrend. The market is bearish. The first thing I want to look at, if the market is bearish, if I was trading this currency, I'm going to be looking for sell positions. Yeah, because I'm following the trend. But then, before I trade this market, I want to make sure the EXY is going opposite the DXY. So what do? I look at the first currency in this pair, which is the EXY market. This is the Euro index. You can see that the Euro index is bearish. Price is going down. And let's see if the DXY is doing the same thing. If the DXY is not doing the same thing, then we are not trading this pair. Let's look at the DXY. You can see that the DXY is bullish, which means the DXY is performing the opposite of the EXY. I want you to go to your chart right now and backtest this to see how it is performing. So when you're trading a buy power and a sell power, applying this first golden rule, which is you have to look at the currencies to see if they're going opposite each other before you consider a pair to trade for the day. You must apply this concept to trade the buy and sell power candle strategy. Now, next lesson, we're going to learn how to trade the buy and sell power. See you in the next lesson. Now it's about to get interesting. As I said in the intro of this course, I said one thing. I said you're going to learn how to do it the chess way. And yes, you need to take note of this important thing, and it's going to help your psychology as a trader. This is a sell power candle. This is a sell power candle, you can see, but there's one thing that happened. After taking a sell, yeah, your stop loss just got hit. Whoo! That's crazy. You can see stop loss got hit because it's got to the 50% of the candle. But remember the concept. Once it goes back to the initial direction, what you need to do is to take a sell instantly. This is a sell power candle. When price got back here, what I'm going to do is to take a sell, and look at it all the way down. We had a massive drop. So the advantage of this strategy is that it gives you opportunity to recover your money almost immediately when there is a breach or something, which is extremely powerful. Instead of having to wait and start researching or looking for ways to make back your money, you're trying to look for entries or support for more buy and sell power setups. It gives you an almost immediate recovery opportunity. It all depends on the time frame you're looking at. So what do you think, guys, about this strategy? It's a very, very powerful strategy. All I want you to do right now is to go to your chart and backtest. Look at how the buy and sell power candle performs on the daily, the 15 minutes. An important question you might ask is, what time frame do I use this strategy on? What I advise, the buy and sell power candle strategy works on all time frame. But one thing you need to understand is that for me, I apply from 15 minutes time frame and above. And when I'm trading, I always want to look at the bigger picture of the market. So I analyze from the daily down to the 4 hours to look at the intraday sections, because I trade the intraday and I also do swing trading. So I look at the bigger picture of the market to look at the directions of two indexes, which is the base index and the quote index. I look at the daily structure, I look at the movement, follow the golden rule, and the next step is to spot for buy and sell power candles. So if we're looking at the Euro USD market, if you want to see the change or the reversal, you're going to look at the overall market. You can also ask a question, or you might be thinking of this question. In an uptrend, do we regard trading a sell power? Yes. In the overall market eye, you have to, that is when we see, or that is when we know that the market is about to change direction. The sell power appears as an indicator for a change of trend. So when you see a sell power being showed, just like this example, price was going up, a bullish market. A lot of people were buying, and when the sell power appeared, changed the direction of the market to the downside. So as a pre-imbalance trader, if you're taking a sell from here and you stop loss got hit, the next thing you should do is wait. You wait for either a breakout from the side. If price breaks out the side, you buy. Shows that there's going to be a continuation of a trend. But if the market comes back to initial direction and start dropping, all you need to do is to sell at that side and you make your money back. All I want you to do is to backtest on all pairs. Check the GBP USD, check the Euro USD, the gold market. You'll find out that this is a powerful strategy and how you can also use the strategy to trade a chess move. I'm sure you're now convinced through a little backtest you must have done before proceeding to the stage of this video. I know you must have seen how this applies. If you're a pro-firm trader, you can use this concept to pass your challenges. In our next lesson, we're going to talk about how to apply risk management to your trade, because that is the most important thing when trading. Risk management is what builds you as a trader. See you in the next lesson.